Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Shopify to discover how to create custom page templates without writing a single line of code. This skill is absolutely critical for any store owner looking to establish unwavering brand consistency, optimize the user experience, and, most importantly, skyrocket their sales. Get ready to transform the way your customers interact with your online store. In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, differentiation is key. Custom templates aren't just a matter of aesthetics. They're strategic tools that allow you to design pages specific to each business objective you have. Whether you need a product page that highlights unique features, an About Us section that connects emotionally with your audience, or a persuasive landing page for a specific marketing campaign, templates give you the power to achieve it all. Imagine the freedom of creating designs that resonate directly with the purpose of each page, guiding your visitors toward the desired action. This not only translates into greater effectiveness for each page, but it will also save you an immense amount of time. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you'll be able to replicate professional and consistent designs with just a few clicks, ensuring that every corner of your store reflects your brand identity and propels you toward success. It's the difference between an ad hoc design and a cohesive, conversion-optimized visual strategy. The good news is that everything we'll be doing from design to implementation will be done directly from the Shopify theme editor. This intuitive and powerful interface is your control center for customizing every visual aspect of your store. To access it, simply head to your Shopify admin. Once there, navigate to Online Store, Themes, Customize. Click the Customize button on your active theme, and voila! You'll find yourself at the creative heart of your store. To illustrate this process clearly and concisely, let's create a template specifically for a new product landing page together. A well-designed landing page is crucial for a product launch, as it's the first point of contact for many potential customers and tasked with converting interest into sales. Create a new template. Once you're inside the theme editor, look for the template selector at the top center of the screen. This selector usually displays the type of page you're envisioning, e.g., pages, or products. Click on it and choose the Create New Template option. In the pop-up window, you'll be asked to select the type of resource the template will be applied to, in our case, page. Give it a descriptive and memorable name, such as Product Launch Template. Finally, you'll be asked if you want to base it on an existing template. For this example, we can select the default template to start with a clean base. Customize the template. Now that you've created your blank template, it's time for the fun part: adding and configuring the sections that will bring your page to life. This is where your creativity meets functionality to build an exceptional user experience. When designing an effective launch page for a new product, consider these essential elements. Each plays a crucial role in guiding the visitor from initial interest to purchase. Goal: capture attention immediately and present the product in a powerful way. This is your first and best opportunity to make a lasting impression. How? Use an image banner or slideshow section. Upload a high-quality, compelling image of your product in use or in an aspirational context. Add a compelling headline that highlights your product's unique value proposition and a subheading that highlights a key benefit or solves a problem for the customer. It's crucial to include a clear "Buy Now" or "Discover More" button that links directly to the product sales page. Make sure the text is legible over the image and that the button is prominent. Beyond the elements, how you present them is crucial. Pay attention to these details so that your template is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and highly effective. Header and footer. These elements are typically global to your Shopify theme, meaning they'll automatically apply to all your pages. Make sure they integrate well with your new template's design and that navigation is consistent throughout your store. Spacing. White space is your friend. Proper spacing between sections and blocks improves readability, reduces clutter, and gives your design a more professional and polished look. Don't underestimate the power of letting elements breathe. Brand consistency. This is one of the pillars of professionalism. Consistently use your brand colors, fonts, and high-quality images throughout your template. Each element should feel like a natural extension of your brand. Consistency builds trust and recognition. Mobile responsiveness. This is absolutely essential and non-negotiable. Most e-commerce users browse from mobile devices. Always preview and adjust your template's design so it looks flawless on smartphones and tablets. The Shopify theme editor has previews for different devices. Use them constantly. Saving. A simple but vital tip. Save your changes frequently. You don't want to lose hours of work due to a mistake or an unexpected shutdown. Once your template is perfectly designed and ready to go, the next step is to assign it to an actual page in your Shopify store. You can do this for both new and existing pages. For a new page, bringing new content to life, go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, Pages, Add Page. Enter a descriptive title for your new page, e.g., Product X Launch. In the right-hand section, below the visibility and SEO settings, you'll find the theme template option. Click the drop-down menu and select your new custom template, e.g., Product Launch Template. Add any additional content you'd like directly in the page content editor, though most of the design will already be handled by your template. Click Save in the top right corner to create and publish your new page with your assigned template. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to fall into some common traps when creating templates. Knowing these beforehand will help you avoid them. Not optimizing for mobile. This is the biggest mistake. If your page doesn't look good or work properly on a smartphone, you're losing a large portion of your audience and potential sales. Overloading the page. Too many high-resolution images, heavy videos, or too many sections can drastically slow down your page's loading speed, frustrating users and negatively impacting your SEO. Lack of clear calls to action. CTAs. Each page should have a purpose and a clear path for the user. If action buttons aren't visible, concise, and attractive, your visitors won't know what to do next. Brand inconsistency. Using different fonts, colors, or image styles on different pages confuses users and dilutes your brand identity. Consistency builds trust. Not testing the page before publishing. Publishing a page without thoroughly testing it can lead to design errors, broken links, or an overall poor user experience. Always do a final review. Creating page templates in Shopify without code gives you complete control over the design and functionality of your pages. This ability not only significantly improves the user experience by offering a more intuitive and engaging shopping journey, but it's also a direct driver for increasing your sales. With Shopify's powerful and easy-to-use theme editor, you can achieve professional results that were previously only possible with web developers. I sincerely hope this tutorial is extremely useful and inspires you to experiment and create amazing designs for your store. Customization is key in modern e-commerce. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. Give it a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe to stay up to date with more valuable content like this. What kind of template will you try first?